In this video, we will see how to upload images and existing files to GitHub. Click on Add File, then select Upload Files. Now choose the image you want to upload from your device. Once selected, you will see the file uploading below. If you accidentally select the wrong file, don't worry, just click the cross and choose the correct one. After selecting the correct file, scroll down and click on Commit Changes. That's it. Your image is now successfully uploaded to GitHub. You can click on the file to view it, and the image will open properly. Now let's see how to upload an existing code file to GitHub. Follow the same steps as before. But instead of an image, select the HTML file you want to upload. Then click on Commit Changes. After that, you can see your HTML file is now live in your repository. In the next video, I'll show you how to delete files from a GitHub repository, so make sure to check out my playlist.